What if I told you कि इंडिया की सबसे बड़ी लड़ाई बॉर्डर्स पर नहीं बल्कि शैडोज में लड़ी गई थी? एंड व्हाट इफ आई टोल्ड यू कि देश को बचाने वाले हीरोज वो थे जिनके नाम हमें मालूम भी नहीं है और शायद मालूम भी ना हो? What if I told you that India's biggest battles were fought not on the borders but in shadows? And what if the heroes who saved the nations were people you may never know by name? Welcome, my name is Sukhpreet Singh Gyani, and you're watching the channel Unfiltered Book Talk. No spoilers, just the core review, the raw, honest truth about books. If it is on my shelf, it's getting a straightforward review. Let's talk about books. आज शुरू हो रही है एक ऐसी जर्नी, स्पाइस, सीक्रेट्स एंड अंडरकवर मिशंस की दुनिया में। हमारा आज का एपिसोड एक ऐसी किताब पर है जो हिम्मत करती है एक ऐसा पर्दा उठाने की इंडिया के सबसे मिस्टीरियस इंस्टीट्यूशन से, रिसर्च एंड एनालिसिस विंग यानी रॉ। बुक इज टाइटल्ड A History of India's Covert Operations, written by investigative journalist Yatish Yadav, and this book was first published in 2020. And trust me, it reads less like a dry history and more like a suspense thriller. This book takes us deep inside the secret corridors of RAW, India's external intelligence agency. The author tells us it begins with agency's birth in 1968. और इसके पीछे जो कारण है, चाइना और पाकिस्तान के साथ इंडिया की वॉर्स से ये साफ हो गया था कि एक डेडिकेटेड फॉरेन इंटेलिजेंस सर्विस की जरूरत है। From there, Yadav traces missions across Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and even far-off places where Indian agents have risked everything. In this book, you will hear about daring operations, political decisions, and the constant tension between success and failure. And what makes this book so special? It is not just the missions, it's the human side. The agents who live double lives, the spy masters who make impossible decisions, and the unsung heroes who never get medals or headlines. It is very important for me to share here that our author Yadav सिर्फ रॉ को ब्लाइंडली ग्लोरीफाई नहीं करता, वो इस किताब में अचीवमेंट्स के साथ साथ कुछ नाकामयाबियां और कुछ ब्लंडर्स की भी बात करता है। ऐसा वो क्यों कर रहे हैं? Some operations succeed brilliantly, while others they collapse for a number of reasons, maybe under pressure. And as you read this book, one thing is clear: RAW is India's first line of defense in the shadows. And now imagine being an agent who knows that कि अगर वो पकड़ा गया तो उसका देश कभी ये मानेगा ही नहीं कि वो एग्जिस्ट करता था। सो इस किताब में इस तरह की दुनिया से हमारे ऑथर उठाते हैं पर्दा. Let us know more about our author. Now, who is Yatish Yadav? He is an investigative journalist with decades of experience exploring stories that most people would never dare to touch. With this book, he turns his sharp eye to India's intelligence world. He has interviewed former spy masters, studied declassified files, and he has gathered stories that were never meant to be told. That's why this book feels authentic. It's built on voices from inside the system. Why this book matters, especially in Indian context. In India, हमें जनरली स्टोरीज सुनने को मिलती हैं अबाउट आर्मी, द पुलिस और इवन द पॉलिटिशियंस. बट व्हाट अबाउट इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज? They remain invisible. This book is important because it gives you a rare insight into how India protects itself beyond the headlines. It is about geopolitics. It is about courage, sacrifice, and secrecy. For us as readers and storytellers, this book is a reminder that history is not only written in open battles, it's also shaped in hidden rooms, coded messages, and silent sacrifices. So that was a brief journey into RAW, a history of India's covert operations. In the coming episodes, we shall dive deeper into specific missions, dramatic turning points, and the human stories behind them. Until then, remember this: the greatest battles are often the ones we never see. Stay curious. Please do subscribe to the channel अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज हिट दैट लाइक बटन एंड शेयर योर कमेंट्स because we believe your comments give us a feedback to do even better.